Welcome to the mathematics in my channel. In this video we are going to evaluate interesting integral from 0 to pi sine of x plus sine of 2x plus sine of 3x plus this is going to sine of 20 times x here square. Okay, to get an idea, first here we have 20 terms square, so I am going to take a plus b square. So we know this is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, and also if we take 3 terms a plus b plus c square, we know here we have a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ac. So now we know we have square of this terms, sum of square of these terms plus 2 times sum of product of 2 terms. So according to this pattern, if we simplify our expression, this expression, so here we have sine of x plus sine of 2x plus this is going to sine of 20 times x square. So we can write now this is equal to sine square of x plus the sine square of 2x plus sine square of 3x plus so on, and finally we have plus sine square of 20 times x. So then here we have plus 2 times, so plus 2 times we know sine of x, sine of 2 times x plus sine of 2 times x, sine of 3 times x plus also here we can write in generally here sine of nx, sine of mx. Okay, then now here we know here last term sine square of 20 times x. Okay, now we can write this is equal to, by using sigma notation, sum of n is equal 1 to 20. Here now we have sine square of nx, sine square of nx. Okay, then this term we can write sum of this term, we can write sum of, here we can write index 1 lower than or equal to m is not equal to n lower than or equal to 20, and now we have here sine of mx sine of nx. Okay, then now we should integrate, so we can write now our integral. If we take our integral is equal to I, now we can write I is equal to sum of n is equal 1 to 20 integral from limit 0 to pi sine square of nx dx plus here sum 1 lower than or equal to m is not equal to n lower than or equal to 20, here sine of mx sine of nx are here integral from 0 to pi sine of mx sine of nx dx. Okay, now we have two integrals, so now I am going to take this integral here 2 times, so here we have 2. Now I am going to take this integral j1 and this integral j2. Okay, now we should evaluate j1 and j2. So first I am going to evaluate j1. So we know j1 is equal to integral from 0 to pi sine square of nx dx. Now we know trigonometric formula, so we can write sine square of nx by using cosine. So 1 minus cosine of double angle 2nx over 2 dx. Now if we integrate here 1/2, so x over 2 minus integration of cosine function, we know sine of 2nx, and also we should divide by coefficient of x, so 2n, here 2, so 4 times n, and we know here limit 0 to pi. Now if we plug in pi here, pi over 2 sine of 2n, here n we know positive integer, so sine of 2n 5 0, and if we plug in 0 here also 0, so we know j1 is equal to pi over 2. Okay, then we are going to evaluate j2. So j2 we know integral from 0 to pi 2 times sine of mx cosine of nx dx. Okay, then now according to trigonometric formula, here we can write this is equal to minus cosine of sum of these angles, so m plus n x minus cosine of m minus n x dx. Okay, then we can integrate here minus sine cosine function, integration of cosine function, we know sine, so sine of m plus n x over m plus n minus sine of here m minus n of x over m minus n from 0 to pi. Now if we plug in pi, here we know m and n are positive integers, so here sine of m plus n times pi 0, here also 0, here if we plug in 0 also 0, so we know this is equal to 0. Okay, now our integral I, we know I is equal to sum of n is equal 1 to 20 j1 we know j1 is equal to pi over 2 plus j2 we know 0, so sum of here j2 0. Okay, now we can simplify here. N is equal 1 to 20 pi over 2, we know 20 times pi over 2. Now 2 get cancelled, and this is the last answer. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.